The wearable technology landscape is undergoing a seismic shift as AI-powered smart glasses evolve from clunky novelties into sleek, indispensable cognitive prosthetics that promise to fundamentally alter how humans perceive and interact with reality by 2025. These devices will combine neural interfaces, holographic displays, and autonomous AI agents to create experiences that blur the line between physical and digital worlds in ways most consumers aren't psychologically or socially prepared to handle. Leading this revolution is Meta's Project Nazar, a full field-of-view augmented reality system that projects 8K holograms directly onto the retina using laser-based varifocal displays powered by an onboard Meta AI agent capable of real-time language translation, facial recognition with emotional analysis, and contextual information retrieval that overlays biographical data, social media histories, and even predicted future behaviors onto people and objects in your visual field. Imagine attending a networking event where your glasses whisper career advice based on attendees' LinkedIn profiles, while simultaneously generating AI-scripted conversational prompts tailored to each individual's psychological profile. Competing directly with Meta, Apple's Vision Pro 2 has leapfrogged its predecessor with cortical interaction, a silent, subvocal speech recognition system that detects neuromuscular signals in the jaw and throat to enable telepathic-style control, allowing users to command their AI assistant or input text simply by thinking the words while maintaining complete social stealth, combined with LiDAR-powered environmental intelligence that constructs millimeter-accurate 3D maps of surroundings to enable ultra-precise object manipulation. Like projecting a holographic piano you can actually feel playing thanks to ultrasonic haptic feedback. For professionals, NVIDIA's Omniverse glasses represent a quantum leap in industrial augmented reality, featuring real-time photorealistic 3D rendering that allows engineers to walk through AI-generated simulations of unbuilt factories or interact with molecular-scale models of new materials, all powered by a cloud-based digital twin that updates changes across global teams instantaneously. Early adopters at Tesla and Boeing have reported 40% reductions in prototyping costs and 90% faster design iterations. Meanwhile, Google's Project Starline glasses have evolved into a social teleportation device using light field displays and AI-generated volumetric video to create photorealistic holograms of remote participants who appear to share your physical space with perfect eye contact and spatial audio, effectively eliminating the uncanny valley of video calls. The system's emotional resonance engine even adjusts holographic body language in real time to optimize communication effectiveness based on cultural context and detected mood shifts. The healthcare sector is being transformed by Orcam's Neuro-Sight, which combines fMRI-informed vision models with retinal tracking to detect early signs of Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and diabetic retinopathy, simply by observing how a patient's eyes move during casual conversation, while its cognitive augmentation mode helps neurologically impaired patients by projecting memory cues and social scripts directly into their field of view. Clinical trials show 75% improvement in quality of life for dementia sufferers. At the opposite end of the spectrum, Snap's Spectra 10 targets Gen Z with reality remixing, AI that continuously alters your visual perception to apply instant plastic surgery filters to passers-by, transform urban environments into fantasy landscapes, or replace boring meals with photorealistic depictions of gourmet dishes, all while capturing content for social media through auto-directed micro-drones that orbit the wearer to capture perfect angles. Military and enterprise applications have spawned monsters like Lockheed Martin's TAC Vision, which provides real-time battlefield analytics by identifying hidden IEDs through multispectral imaging, predicting enemy movements via AI-powered tactical forecasting, and enabling X-ray vision through walls using quantum radar tomography, all in a package indistinguishable from regular sunglasses. Similarly, Bose's Frames 2025 have evolved into auditory smart glasses, featuring directional sound beams that allow only the wearer to hear audio, coupled with neuroacoustic algorithms that induce focus, relaxation, or alertness by manipulating brainwave states through infrasonic pulses. Wall Street traders using the alpha state mode demonstrate 300% faster reaction times in high-pressure situations. The most philosophically disruptive model comes from Neuralink's Oculus Thoughtware, which replaces traditional displays with direct optic nerve stimulation, bypassing the eyes entirely to project images straight into the brain. Early users report dreamlike virtual environments indistinguishable from reality and the ability to see infrared and ultraviolet spectra, while the integrated BCI, brain-computer interface, allows for thought-controlled apps and memory recording playback. Competing in the Neuro-Tech space, Mojo Vision's invisible computing lenses embed micro-LED displays and biometric sensors directly onto contact lenses, creating a zero-footprint AR experience that tracks blood sugar through tear analysis and projects health metrics at the edge of vision. Diabetes management has never been this seamless. These devices raise existential questions about privacy, agency, and reality itself. When Snap's Spectra can edit your perception of people's appearances in real time, how does that reshape human attraction? If Neuralink's Oculus allows memory downloads, who owns your experiences? As Google Starline makes remote workers holographically present, will physical offices become obsolete? The technology is advancing faster than our psychological and legal frameworks can adapt. 2025's smart glasses won't just change what we see, but how we define what's real, and humanity may not be ready for the consequences of that blurring. One thing is certain, the eyes may be windows to the soul, but AI smart glasses are about to turn them into two-way mirrors of the digital age, and there's no going back once we peer through.